Hi everyone, it's Stacy from PeonyLaneDesigns.com. Have you subscribed to the channel yet? If not, click the little blue button.
Don't forget to click the subscribe button, comment down below, like this video, and click the bell icon to be notified.
Yo, I'm looking at a doom pile project that is not mine. This one was the OG's. And when he left for Arizona 2 years ago, everything that he had taken to build things of mine. So the pieces and parts are mine. The build is his, and it never got finished. It's a lamp, but it's got this gear on the bottom. He's already got it attached so that this has a hole through it, so you can run wire through it. But being the OG, he gets excited to build things. I come by it honestly, I guess. He gets excited to build the pieces, but then doesn't think through that maybe I should have cleaned that gear or painted the spindle first. So I'm going to take it apart. It needs to be cleaned. It's kind of cool though. And I had asked for this to be a lamp. This wasn't quite what I was expecting. You can see it's been outside on my porch since he dropped it off. I think what I was thinking was floor lamp, because this is a nice, this is heavy. This is a heavy base. But he went with his gut and did what he does, and I am going to have to clean this and degrease it. Now, a million years ago, I did a cleaning video, a spot cleaning video. It happens to be my top video on this channel. And in it, I mentioned a degreaser that I use, and everybody has asked a billion times what degreaser it is. And I've shared it in the comments over and over and over again. And yet, people are still asking. I'm going to show you how it works today, because this is kind of the perfect piece to clean with it. And you'll see what I mean by it just melts grease like crazy easy. I use it on my stove all the time. Never use it on a painted surface. That's what I can recommend for you. But let me see if I can get this apart first. And then we're going to have to paint the spindle. What's he thinking? You know what? Maybe we just stain the spindle, because I think, frankly, it needs to be more masculine looking with this gear on the bottom. I can't really paint it white, and that wouldn't look right. So let's get this apart. No, I'm not looking forward to it. That's why this is sat on my porch forever, because I was like, I gotta scrub the crap out of that. Leave it to the OG. Like, nah, we just gonna leave it dirty. She can deal with it after I wire it. I have plenty of lamp kits. Yeah, we get the degreaser. All right, I got it apart. That's number one. Now get all the gunk off of it and clean it up. This is what I use. It's called Super Clean, and it's amazing. It's a great degreaser for your oven. Oh, God, I'm telling you. Game changer. You'll see how great it works when we spray it on this piece, but I am going to wear a mask because there's no ventilation in this room, and it is toxic. I'm pretty sure. Yeah, may burn eyes and skin, harmful if swallowed. Dissolves grease, super easy, super fast. Certainly does that. So it's perfect for this project. Anybody's got pandemic masks left over, perfect for keeping your, lungs clear of debris. I'm going to use a little brush, but I'm getting all the cobwebs off at first. Don't worry, I will switch you around. Just didn't think you wanted to watch that part. Cobwebs, ew. And I need to cut the string off that was on it. He left the price tag string from where I bought it. Dad. The OG. All right, let me get you switched around so you can see what I'm doing. All right, I'm just going to spray the Super Clean. I did lay down a plastic. I don't know if it'll eat the plastic, frankly. You can actually see it's already starting to melt off the crap. Yeah, it's probably melting the plastic too. I don't know. I mean, this is the best degreaser ever. Hardly even needs to be scrubbed. It's just coming off. And just let it sit. Melt away the grease, and then we'll scrub it a bit. Ew. get both sides. Let it sit. Do its job. A lot of years of grease on there. All right, we're gonna have to let it sit, come back to it. And now that's what we have. I took it out to the kitchen sink and hosed it off. There's still some gunk in the teeth here, but I didn't even realize that this was blue at one time. It's definitely clean. As you can tell, all the grease from this side is gone. Just the stuff still left in the teeth, which at this point I think I'm gonna go, I don't care, and just scrape it out. Like I'm gonna pull out the bits that are not holding on it. Like there's, here. Let me just show you. Gimme. Like this dirty little gunk that's in here. It's all loosened up. It's just not like melting away like the other stuff did. So that's what I'm going to do for like the next 20 minutes is scrape these teeth out. Can you see why this sat on the I don't want to do this pile for a while? And that's all the nasty gunk I pulled out of the gears. So I'm going to go hit this with cleaner one more time and rinse it off and see how we do. All right, my gear is clean now. You can see why I did not want to clean this. It was kind of a pain in the butt, but this is going to be much better for my customers. They're not going to be, you know, dealing with some garbage.
Visit my blog, peonylanedesigns.com, for more tips, tricks, and inspiration. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so you'll be notified of new videos. I post every week DIY tutorials and, of course, more junkin' videos.